Inflammation has more to do with how your body responds to treatment than most people realize. When most of us hear the word inflammation, we think of pain or swelling or a number that's flagged high on a lab report. But that is only part of it. Inflammation is a network of signaling molecules that your body uses to communicate. And those signals influence how your cells talk to each other, how nutrients get used, how energy gets made, and how your immune system decides to behave. Now that sounds like a lot to lay at the feet of inflammation, and it is. But inflammation itself is not the problem. We need it. When it is acute, when it rises to meet an injury or infection and then settles back down, it is doing exactly what it should. It is part of how you heal. The trouble begins when it never settles, when it stops being a brief response and becomes the background condition that your body lives in. And here is what happens when it does. Your body starts diverting resources away from repair and toward defense. It is bracing instead of building. So the cells that should be producing energy efficiently no longer can. The signals that should be moving oxygen and nutrients into your tissue get muddled. And the immune system, the very system meant to protect you, becomes dysregulated and either overreacts or goes quiet when you need it the most. So think about what that means. Every treatment you receive, whether it is medication, nutrition, sleep, exercise, or your conventional cancer therapy, every one of them enters that internal environment. And if the environment is compromised, then even the best treatment is working against a strong headwind. And that is why I pay such close attention to inflammation, not because it is the only thing that matters, but because it touches almost everything else that does matter. So I will leave you with the way I have come to understand inflammation. It is not a diagnosis, it is a signal, and a signal is meant to be understood.